Hello students, in this lecture let us solve problem based on Kirchhoff's second law, that is voltage law or loop law, which states that in a closed loop of electric network the algebraic sum of potential differences plus algebraic sum of all EMFs is equal to 0. Textbook question 11. Two cells of EMF 1.5 volt and 2 volt having respective internal resistances of 1 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in parallel so as to send current in same direction through an external resistance of 5 ohm. Find the current through the external resistance. To solve it, first we have to draw circuit diagram according to given conditions. According to given condition, here two cells are connected in parallel combination. That is, positive terminals of two cells are connected together and negative terminals are also connected together. And these resistances are internal resistances of these two cells which are shown outside the cell. So here this is parallel combination of cell E1 and E2. Now according to given condition, this combination is used to send current थ्रू एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस आर. तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन में से करंट पास हो रहा है थ्रू दिस एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस आर. इसमें से यू कैन सी सेल E1 सेंड्स करंट I1 एंड E2 सेंड्स करंट I2. एट जंक्शन C अराइविंग करंट इज I1 प्लस I2. सो टोटल करंट लिविंग द जंक्शन मस्ट बी सेम. तो यहाँ पे C जंक्शन से I1 प्लस I2 करंट पास हो रहा है through this external resistance in same direction, and we are asked to find current through this resistance. Given values are E1 1.5 volt and its internal resistance is 1 ohm, E2 2 volt and its internal resistance is 2 ohm, and external resistance is 5 ohm. To find current through the external resistance R. Current through external resistance R is I1 plus I2. So we want to find value I1 plus I2. To solve it, apply Kirchhoff's voltage law. First, applying KVL to loop A, B, C, G, A. Now for this loop, we are tracing it in clockwise direction. So see, first हम लोग को मिल रहा है resistance R1, current passing through it is I1. So this product is I1 R1. Direction of tracing is same as direction of current. So this product is negative. So sign conventions we have seen in second lecture. So that sign convention we are using. So first we will write summation of IR minus I1 R1. ये फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट मिला. देन सेल के लिए हम लोग बाद में देखते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस इन दिस लूप इज R2. करंट पासिंग थ्रू R2 इज I2. नाउ डायरेक्शन ऑफ ट्रेसिंग इज फ्रॉम C to G and direction of current is from G to C. So this product now we will take it positive. So here plus I2 R2. Now here in this loop only two resistances are there. So for summation of IR we will get only two terms. Now next for summation of E. Now while tracing this loop A to B, through cell we are tracing from negative terminal to positive terminal. So this EMF must be positive. So plus E1. Second cell in this loop is E2. We are tracing it from C to G, that is from positive terminal towards negative terminal. So this value we should take negative. तो minus E2 आएगा यहाँ पे. So यहाँ पे in this loop only two cells are there. तो हम लोग का summation of E भी complete हो गया. तो for this loop we have get this equation. We have got this equation. Minus I1 R1 plus I2 R2 plus E1 minus E2 is equal to 0. Now substitute given values. Simplify it. Simplifying, we get equation minus I1 plus 2I2 is equal to 0.5. Let it be equation. In KVL to loop G, C, D, F, G, we get this equation. कैसे देखो, G, C, D, F, G. तो यहाँ पे resistance R2 is there. Current passing through R2 is I2. The direction of current is same in which we are tracing loop. तो this product should be negative. Next resistance जो आ रहा है ये loop में, that is R. Current passing through R is I1 plus I2. So product is I1 plus I2 into R. Now direction of tracing is from D to F and direction of current is also from D to F. तो दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन में रहते हैं तो प्रोडक्ट क्या रहेगा, नेगेटिव, अकॉर्डिंग टू साइन कन्वेंशन विच वी हैव सीन इन सेकेंड लेक्चर. अभी इन दिस लूप ओनली वन सेल इज देयर, तो समेशन ऑफ ई के लिए हम लोग को सिर्फ E2 मिल रहा है एंड वी आर ट्रेसिंग इट फ्रॉम G टू C ना, दैट इज फ्रॉम नेगेटिव टर्मिनल टू पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल. तो इट्स साइन शुड बी पॉजिटिव अकॉर्डिंग टू साइन कन्वेंशन. So we get this equation for loop G, C, D, F, G. Substitute given values. Simplify it. Simplifying, we get equation 2. 5I1 plus 7I2 is equal to 2. Now use equation 1 and 2 and get values of I1 and I2. Multiply this equation 1 by 5 and we get minus 5I1 plus 10I2 is equal to 2.5. Let this be equation 3. Now using equation 2 and 3, value of I2 as 4.5 upon 17 ampere. Now substitute this value in equation 1 and get value of I1. I1 is equal to 0.5 upon 17 ampere. Now calculate current through external resistance R. Therefore current through external resistance is equal to I1 plus I2. Substitute value of I1, substitute value of I2 and we get its value as 5 upon 17 ampere.